Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This portable mini cleaning mop is your go-to gadget for quick cleanups in tight spaces. Designed for both wet and dry use, this compact sponge mop tackles messes on desktops, kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, windows, and even car interiors with ease. It comes with two ultra-absorbent sponge heads and a squeeze handle that makes wringing a breeze. No mess, no fuss. The lightweight design means you can clean effortlessly and store it anywhere. Perfect for small spaces, busy hands, and on-the-go touch-ups. Clean like a pro, even in mini mode. This 5-tier fruit and vegetable basket is the ultimate kitchen storage upgrade. With a smooth 360 degrees rotating design and rolling wheels, it glides effortlessly wherever you need it. The sturdy metal wire baskets give you breathable storage for produce, snacks, or pantry goods, keeping everything visible and fresh. Each tier holds serious weight, while the top lid adds bonus counter space or keeps essentials dust-free. The black finish blends with any kitchen style, from modern to farmhouse. Whether it's meal prep or tidying up, this rolling cart keeps you organized and clutter-free. Stylish, functional, and built to move. It's storage that actually works for you. This grade 3 section pan is your breakfast game changer. With 3 perfectly divided sections and a dual egg cup design, you can fry up eggs, pancakes, and sides all at once, with zero flavor mixing. The non-stick coating makes flipping and cleaning a breeze, while the durable construction gives even heat distribution every time. Whether you're crafting a DIY egg McMuffin or knocking out a full breakfast in minutes, this pan makes multitasking on the stove a total win. Less mess, more meals, all in one sleek, granite-coated skillet. This wireless food processor makes prepping feel like playtime. With a powerful motor and 2 bowl sizes, it's ready to dice, chop, mince, and blend everything from veggies to baby food with a simple press of the top. No cords, no hassle, just charge and go wherever your recipe takes you. It's compact, quiet, and perfect for quick meals, small kitchens, or on-the-go prepping. Plus, clean up a breeze thanks to detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. Less mess, more flavor, and a whole lot of slap-happy convenience. This pancake batter dispenser is your secret weapon for mess-free, perfectly portioned breakfasts and bakes. Whether you're flipping pancakes, pouring cupcakes, or crafting crepes, this tool gives you total control with its easy pour nozzle and built-in measuring label. No more drips, spills, or guessing games, just smooth, even better every time. It's dishwasher safe, easy to refill, and built with durable materials that actually last. From waffles on the weekend to muffins on Monday, this dispenser does it all cleanly, quickly, and like a pro. This clear acrylic cutting board brings sleek design and smart function right to your countertop. With a built-in counter lip, it stays perfectly in place while you chop, slice, and prep like a pro. No slipping, no sliding. The crystal clear design blends into any kitchen aesthetic, adding a touch of modern minimalism while protecting your surfaces. It's durable, non-porous, and super easy to clean, making it a stylish upgrade from bulky wooden boards. Whether you're meal prepping or just cutting up a quick snack, this board makes the job cleaner, easier, and way more aesthetic. This 2-in-1 cutting board is the space-saving superhero your small kitchen or RV has been waiting for. It's got a sleek, mess-free acrylic surface for chopping, slicing, and prepping, plus a foldable waste bin that catches scraps as you go. No more dragging a bowl around or leaving a trail of veggie peels across the counter. The compact size fits tight spaces but still gives you plenty of room to work. It's modern, practical, and totally game-changing for anyone who wants to keep their kitchen clean, efficient, and clutter-free. This is the one-handed mixer designed to make whisking a breeze for cooks of all ages. With its press and beat technology, just press down and let the dual beaters work their magic. Whether you're mixing batter, whipping cream, or stirring up a quick sauce, this tool gets the job done fast and easy. Perfect for kids, adults, and seniors alike. Anyone can use it with one hand, making cooking less of a chore and more fun. Quick mixing, minimal effort, maximum results. This is the Waffle Maker, your ticket to crispy, golden waffles every time. With 5 adjustable browning settings, you can customize your waffles to the perfect level of crispiness. The non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze, while the precision pour cup ensures the perfect batter every time. At 800 W, it heats up fast for quick, delicious waffles in minutes. Whether you're treating yourself or making breakfast for the family, this Waffle Maker has you covered with ease and style. This is the Dog Bath Brush Pro, the ultimate tool for hassle-free pet baths. It's a sprayer and scrubber in one, making bath time faster and more fun for you and your furry friend. Whether you have a long-haired pup or a short-haired one, this tool works wonders for every coat type. The easy hose and shower attachment give you control, while the comfortable design lets you wash, scrub, and rinse with just one hand. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor baths, your dog will love the clean and you'll love the ease. This is the 100 pieces shower head cleaning brush, the ultimate tool to keep your shower sparkling clean. This multifunctional brush is perfect for clearing clogs and buildup from your shower nozzle's small pores, ensuring optimal water flow. It's also great for cleaning keyboards, window slots, blinds, and faucets, anything that needs a little extra care. With 100 brushes included, you'll have plenty for every nook and cranny. Keep your home fresh and functioning with this essential cleaning tool. This is the space-saving hanger hooks, your secret weapon for a super organized closet. With 60 premium white connector hooks, you can easily create cascading hangers, freeing up space and giving your closet a fresh, tidy look. These heavy-duty hooks hold your clothes securely, perfect for everything from shirts to jackets. They're durable, sturdy, and built to last, helping you maximize every inch of your closet. Whether you've got a small wardrobe or just want to keep things neat, these hanger hooks are the key to transforming your closet into a streamlined, organized space. This is the 40 ounces Tumbler, the ultimate travel flask for anyone on the go. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this tumbler is vacuum insulated, keeping your coffee hot or your ice cold for hours. With a double-wall design, it ensures maximum temperature retention, whether you're tackling your morning commute or hitting the road for an adventure. The 40 ounces capacity means fewer refills, and the sleek stainless steel finish makes it easy to take anywhere. Stay refreshed, stay stylish, and never worry about your drink temperature again with the Beast Tumbler. This is the Scratch Baby Bottle Cleaning Brush, designed for gentle yet effective cleaning. With its soft bristles, it's perfect for scrubbing bottles and nipples without causing any scratches, keeping them safe for your little one. The built-in stand keeps the brush hygienic and off surfaces, while the handy storage clip lets you hang it for easy access. BPA-free and durable, this brush is the ideal tool for busy parents, ensuring your baby's bottles are clean and ready for every feeding. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.